Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing another zombie rush. We done one of these earlier on, and I'm about to get killed. Make sure none in front. Carl, my friend, just hit 1k. Go check out his channel, Skellybones XYZ. Or Popcorn Gamer XL Flawless. So, whoa! Jesus, you're trying to give me a heart attack. How did he hit me? I feel you are. Skills. Let's help this girl, because I think she's gonna die soon. Take this massive one down. Don't even think about it, because you know you're gonna die. Ow, ow.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. There's a load of... I'm feeling you, so what you gonna do tonight? What does this do? I'm feeling you, so what you gonna do? Oh, Blue, you're not getting me. Stay away. I don't think no one's died yet. Whoa. I just saved that guy and he doesn't even say thanks. Hey, Twinser. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, go away, go away, go away. Nope. Not today, Slanny. I'm feeling you. What you gonna do? No, you're not coming to me. Stop trying. They all fell down there. You're trying to be a model for the kid. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I'm glitching too much. Oh, get me away from these people. Bacon Man, save me. I'm stuck against the wall. Oh, they left. "2018. Oh, there's a giant in here. Fat arms. Ha! Is he trying to get out? It's not gonna work. Ah! God, that guy made it. What? What? He was nowhere close. What? What? That makes no sense. I guess I was the last guy as well, anyway. I feel you, so what you gonna do? Hey, stop. Outside. Okay, it's gonna be forest. This forest. It's called Forest by Humming Bacon. What type of stupid name is that? I'm feeling you, so what you gonna do? Why is people shooting already? There's no zombies. Stay away from him. I'm getting hurt. I'm getting hurt by Wecos. That guy just saved me. Get off him, he saved me. Yo, 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 yo. Don't run away. Come on. Big one against me. Don't get in our fight. Yo, where did he come out from? Wave 3, wait, what? Whoa. Ah. Stay off! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm so dead, I'm so dead. Hey, why are you going after that person now? I wanted to duel with you. Whoa, he's on there. Why the hell? Oh! I thought he was shooting at me. Chill, stop shooting. Chill! Do you not know what chill means? Because I'll slap you with the knife. You trying to be a model so they get meals visa. I just took her so No, I'm dead, I'm so 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 dead. I may be dead, I'm so dead, I'm so dead. Hey, my brother. I think I'm last one alive again. I'm glitching. See, look, she runs into me. Okay, I'm not the only one alive. God, that face scared me. Ah! I like this map because it's big. Let's have a duel, buddy. Nope. A herd's coming for me now. I'm dead. The tactic is run! No, I'm dead. I'm so dead. No. I can't see in front of me. How many kills more? Nope, I died. So guys, this is going to be another video. Hope you enjoyed, and leave a like and put notifications on so you never miss a video. And goodbye.